Hey guys, I'm Karan Birani from Mobi Scrub, and here are 5 reasons why you should get the Galaxy A8 Plus from Samsung. First, the display. Samsung has always excelled on the display side of things, and the A8 Plus is no exception. A massive 6-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2220 pixels. And that gives the device a fluid 18.5:9 screen ratio, which actually you just get with, flagship devices like the Galaxy S8 or the Galaxy Note 8 that you see on the right side. The colors on the screen are punchy, the screen is bright, and the 6-inch display is a widescreen experience that only the best of Samsung smartphones offer at the moment. The second reason is the design. The Galaxy A8 Plus is like something borrowed from the Galaxy S8 design. They've trimmed the bezels a lot more from the earlier A8 and tried to give the A8 Plus the same infinity look like the Galaxy S8. I love the glass back, and the Galaxy A8 Plus is probably the closest to the Galaxy S8 and the Note 8 design when it comes to all of this, in a very nice aluminum frame. It looks amazing, very rich, and looks even better on the black color. And this is the first Samsung device to feature the fingerprint scanner at the back below the camera, which is a lot more conveniently placed now. The third reason is the camera. The A8 Plus has a 16 megapixel f1.7 primary camera with LED flash and allows you to shoot full HD videos. In the front, you have a dual camera setup, which is again the first to feature on a Samsung smartphone. And with this dual lens setup, you are able to take selfies with a nice background blur, and there aren't really many phones in the smartphone market at the moment that can do that. The camera software is the latest one that you see again with the Galaxy Note 8 and in the Galaxy S8. It's the same, and you get Bixby Vision as well. The shutter is extremely fast and it can take pictures amazingly quick. Now, you also get a couple of modes in the Galaxy A8 Plus, like the Pro mode, the Panorama mode. You also get hyperlapse. You get night vision as well as a food mode. You can download more. The only downside is you don't get slow motion. But I took some pictures up in the hills, and the pictures have come out really well. As you can see, the clarity is simply amazing. The colors are very natural, and obviously they're not as good as in the Galaxy Note 8 or the S8, but this is still pretty amazing. The fourth reason is the device is IP68 certified, which means it is dust and water resistant. And not a lot of smartphones in this price range offer this feature, and hence it does become a big reason to own this smartphone in this price range if you're looking for a more sturdy phone for the careless person that you are. And the last is the price. It's priced at $32,999 for the 6GB 64GB variant, and you get Octa-core processing power, 6GB RAM, 3500 mAh battery, front-facing dual-lens camera setup, which is the first in the Samsung family. And you also get a phone that's water and dust resistant, which means a lot more sturdy phone. So I think for that price, it's still a very good device. The only phones that you need to look out for in this range are the OnePlus 5T and the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. So that's it from me, folks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Hope you really enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe.